DecoNetwork makes it easy for you to download production worksheets in bulk. Simply come into the Production tab, and it's a good idea to search by supplier purchase order number. And if you don't see it in the top column here, click on the little gear, and whoever's logged in can control what columns they see up top. So what I want to see is supplier purchase order number. And when the blank shirts arrive, I want to be able to have a stack of worksheets that directly corresponds with those blanks that are coming in. So I can come in here and search by the PO number, which can have multiple orders attached to it like this. I can select all of those orders and then download selected worksheets. If I do them as individual files, it'll download a folder which will contain the worksheet and the artwork. Maybe I don't want the artwork. I just want the worksheets, and I want to be able to print them as quickly as possible so I have that stack of sheets right there for when the box of shirts arrives. Well, I can download worksheets as one PDF. And when you download them as one PDF, it's just going to consolidate all of the worksheets for the orders that we have selected, which then makes it really quick and easy to then print the sheets and match up the sheets with the blank products. If you, again, download production worksheets as individual files, you can kind of do the exact same thing, but it's going to be a lot of opening folders and grabbing each sheet. This is definitely the quickest way to do it. In this example, I searched by supplier PO number. That's typically the most common way because the blank shirts are going to arrive together as that PO. But you could search by different decoration methods, statuses, really any filter option, and then generate those worksheets based on those search parameters. If I come here to click download worksheets, here's our consolidated list of worksheets. And now I have all of these different orders. A lot of them look the same, but they are different. And I can print them all and match up the blank shirts that come in. If you have any questions on how to bulk download production worksheets or anything else related to DecoNetwork, simply come up to the question mark, view our support resources, or raise a support ticket with client services. One other thing to remember, you can come into an individual order, and you can also download that exact same worksheet from here. So you don't have to do them in bulk. You can do them for those individual orders. Hopefully you find this video helpful, and thank you for watching.